Many of you know someone who's affected by chronic migraines or stiff muscles. It could even be you.
Recently, Hillside Rehabilitation Hospital in Warren launched a botox clinic, which helps treat these conditions. First News Weekend morning anchor Samantha Bender explains.
Chronic migraines and muscle spasticity can disrupt all aspects of your life, which is why Hillside Rehabilitation Hospital in Warren recently launched a Botox clinic to provide ease and comfort for those suffering from these. Dr. Megan Teeples, a physical medicine and rehabilitation physician at Hillside, tells me muscle stiffness normally happens to a patient after they've had a stroke or spinal cord injury.
Their muscles get really tight, and it can sometimes stop them from being able to do things like get dressed, or it affects how they walk.
Which is where the Botox comes into play.
We actually inject it directly into the muscles that are the most tight, and it helps to relax those muscles.
Dr. Teeples says within 3 weeks, patients should see a notable difference in how tight their muscles are. As for those who suffer from chronic migraines,
it actually is injected right near where the nerve fibers are located that create pain signals, and it helps to block those pain signals.
Dr. Teeples tells me the Botox for migraines works a little differently than it does for tight muscles.
In that you get the best results after like 2 treatments of the Botox for the migraines, but people can get up to like 50% reduction of their migraines.
Dr. Teeples says she's already noticed a difference in her patients.
This one patient specifically has really tight muscles in his hands, like he can't ungrip his hands, and after a session of Botox he's already had more active motion in that hand. It's not as tight.
She says ultimately her primary focus is her patient's functionality.
After a stroke or a spinal cord injury, it's really important for those patients to get as much back as they can so that they can do their own walking, their own eating, their own dressing. I want to give that back to those patients, and the Botox can really help with that.
Reporting for WKBN 27 First News, I'm Samantha Bender.